Alright, yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's continue with from where we stop right now. So straight for tonight. For now, we have to discuss on how to set up the price, like the price setup. So this the dashboard of our site. Are you logging now? I'm in already. This is the dashboard of our website. The dashboard. And now, so straight to business, we have to, based on the price setup and then the API. Right, so now we'll be using the VTUpress. Just click on the VTUpress option here. Then remind you we are setting up our price. So let me just go straight to the point. If I go to the 11, click on the 11 here. So you click on 11 and go to 11. Already click on 11. So for this particular website we'll be having two levels, which is the level for the reseller and then the level for the final consumer, which is the customer, the end users. Let me use the end user. Mind you, if we want to name each of the level name, we can type the name we want to name the particular level here. And now we want to add another level rather than just type it here. But now we are not adding any other level because it's already added. And that means you want to add it on your own platform, you can actually make use of that. But now it's already added. Just click on select level here. Click on select level. We have reseller. Then this reseller here is actually mistake along the line of creation. Actually made mistake of creating two resellers instead of one. So you click on the first reseller. Then if you want to work on the customer setup, you click on the customer. But here we are working on the reseller. The first one, click on the reseller. Then you what name do you want to give it? What name do you want to give it? You already gave it to reseller. Then for those that want to come in as reseller, how much did you want to set for them for the upgrading fee? Like, they have to upgrade their account from end users to the reseller. Then how much do you want to set? The amount actually set here is 2,000 naira. So you can decide that you might think it's like you can just thought that this particular amount is too much. Then you can easily increase or decrease the amount, but still leave it in 2,000 bucks. If you don't want to attach any price to it, then you cannot easily erase it. Then now the status, do you want it to be active or not? So you can just make it active. The reseller option should be active. Then your reseller, can they access your API as well? API access. Don't allow API access for your reseller. Yeah, you allow API access for your reseller. They can access your They can access your API, your website API too. So now, here is the price setup. The price setup, as you can see, this instruction. The instruction. Please note that all values are percentage based and are calculated based on fixed price, e.g., fixed price on the data price page compared to the percentage given for the service. This thing, we are to calculate it by percentage based on the fixed price of the one given to the end users. So this is it. First we have to just master the amount we are to get from the particular site we'll be using, the one available for the end users. After we note that one, the one we set for the end user, we note the one available for the end users at the exact edge of the API we are using. Then we can now set up our price, our percentage, set up our percentage. So as you can see, the one I set up here actually is for airtime. Set up 10%. Then the share and share airtime as well. Set up 10%. Roughly for everything, the 10%. Then the data, SME data, the one I actually set up here is 15%, but I think I still reduce it. That 15% is around 229 point something. You can still reduce it to 14% or 14 point something. You can actually edit it yourself. We just have to do this video as sample and as guide. Then now we have MTN SME, we have corporate, then we have the gifting one, which is the normal one. They all lasted for a month actually. Then the miscellaneous, which is the utilities, which is for cables, and then the bills, the electronics. Set up your percentage. And then the educational pin, we have WAEC, we have NECO, we have JAMB, then we have NAPTEL pin as well. So this is it. Just set up your price based on percentage. Then the refer system as well. You can actually include the refer system, but if you now want the refer system, you can easily clear the amount. So refer 11 and goodies applicable for users A, which is the top level referral. So for transaction bonus, you get 200 naira. Then upgrade bonus for anyone that come in for transaction, the first transaction, they'll be getting 200 naira. Then those that upgrade their accounts, possible from end users to final consumer, and from end users to reseller, the persons that refer will actually get the amount you set. So you can edit it here. Then you now click on update reseller level. So that's that for that aspect. Then now let's come to the customer level. I click on select level, then you click on customer. It's load. Loading. Yeah. Here is the customer page. As you can see, for customer, you can set up the amount you want them to pay as customer. But if you do not want them to pay any amount, you can easily erase the price tag. Erase the price tag I dropped here. You can easily erase it. Then you want to grant your customer access to access to the API as well. They want to grant them access. I select no because they are customer final users. So why are they not using the API access? It's of no use. So let's just leave it off. Then now you can now set up your bonus, your price. So everything, mind you, everything has to be have to be in percentage. Currently now I didn't set anything at all. I didn't set any percentage. I just leave it blank to be 0, to be 0, to be 0. So that means they'll actually be getting at the final price the API we are using are selling their own. So that's the price they will be getting. That's the price they will be getting here. In case there's any other question, please you can contact me direct, or possible you drop comments in the comments. Just drop your questions or anything in the comment section. Promise to attend to it. Then you can send me as well, and then you can easily chat me up on WhatsApp. Always available. And then the next thing is, what are we going again? Okay, yeah, the system and the security. Let's say you want to check the system and the securities of your website. So it's actually not really necessary, because if you might tamper with it, just straightforward, already straightforward. It's deal with it's actually deal with the ATM code, ATM. This KYC KYC. We all know what KYC mean now. Like verification, like if you want to apply the verification means in your site, like you want your users to what? To verify their account. You want to enable it. So you can come to the KYC, then you click on enable KYC. I've already off it actually. So click on enable KYC. You just select yes. Once you select yes, successfully change KYC status. So your users have to what? Have to verify their accounts before they can actually enjoy the service. Not that they will not be enjoying the service, they will actually enjoying the service, but they have to verify their accounts before they could enjoy it as to their own taste. So now you can also for users that didn't verify their account, you can set transaction limits. Then you can also set the numbers, the duration. You can also set the duration for them. But for now, I'm not the owner of the platform, so I have to off it, which is on. I have to on it. So I have to off it rather. So I've already off it. Then so since that's for that, then mind you remember to share the link to any of your friends that need the guide on how to set up their own VTUpress plugin as well. And then as you can see, this is our information. The line says the VTU setting. This is our info. This is our information. Now go straight to the business, which is the one of the API. I guess I've already explained the details on how to go about this aspect. So now the main focus now is the issues of the API. Which API are we to use? Which site are we to? Where are we getting our data from? Where are we getting our data from? It's already loading. I click on the gateway. So I've already into the gateway. It's actually loading, if I'm not mistaken. That gateway. Oh my god. Alright. If we want to remove anything, like we want to remove any of the transaction from our platform, you can watch. As you can see, it's already listed here above. The checkbox mark. The checkbox made the service available when enabled and vice versa. The button had those tests, each after checkbox, such as set the time, set data, set cable, and co. Let's say we want to disable airtime on our platform now. Just check the box. Just uncheck. It's into my finger. Just change my network. Okay. Just uncheck. Once you uncheck, it will actually uncheck.